today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most moisturizing wash day ever. Okay, y'all, like this is for the girls who have been struggling with the humidity, the weather, or who struggle with the dry scalp. This is for all of us naturals who struggle keeping in all that moisture. So if you guys are interested, we are gonna hop right into the video. Before though, make sure you guys are subscribed down below and stay tuned for the end because I have a giveaway for you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into the video. Alright guys, the first product I'm going in with is the Miche sulfate-free shampoo. This shampoo is super creamy and it's pH balanced, so it won't leave your hair feeling stripped. And right now my hair is super dry, so I don't need anything stripped from my hair at all. It is really good at cleansing. Because it doesn't have any harsh sulfates or chemicals in the shampoo, it's just going to leave your hair feeling moisturized and clean. Alright guys, next I'm going in with the Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of the Polish Hair and Scalp Oil to my hair because I know you guys peeped that little really dry scar on the top of my forehead, and it's time to give that some loving. This conditioner is really good for helping to balance moisture and revitalize hair to make it more manageable. It also improves hair elasticity and helps at repairing damage. It also leaves your hair super moisturized and is great for protein sensitive hair like mine. And as you can see, this left my hair super moisturized. I'm literally using it to detangle and my comb is just gliding on through it like with ease, and who doesn't love an easy wash day? So I'm just adding that hair oil to my scalp. This also helps to add shine. It helps to finish your hair if it has a gel cast, but I also just like to massage it into my scalp because it has great ingredients like argan oil. And then I'm adding my plastic bag on top of my head. Girl, you already know what's up. Leaving it in for 30 minutes, have that little shower concert, and then we are going to rinse it out. Guys, this part is super important. As soon as you hop out the shower to lock in all that moisture, you just want to go ahead and begin to style your hair. My style method is sectioning my hair. I really prefer this over anything else because it is going to make sure that I reach every single curl and every single curl gets some love. The first product we're going in with is the Boost Hydrating Leave-In Refresher Spray. And this is a multi-purpose leave-in refresher spray. This moisturizes, detangles, hydrates, refreshes, and nourishes hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. It is a perfect leave-in conditioner spray, and it's super lightweight. And I love when my sprays, my leave-in conditioners are lightweight, but also really moisturizing. That's gonna give me that volume and definition that I love. Alright guys, next I'm going in with the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This is a one and done light to medium hold styling cream, and it can be used for a multitude of hairstyles. I, however, am using it for my wash and goes because it is a medium hold and I like my hair to be defined but not too weighed down or crunchy. Guys, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair, and then I will be sharing with you guys my final results. Hair is fully dry, I'm going to do one more step. I'm going to take the same oil that I was using for my deep conditioning process, and I'm going to use that just to help take apart some of these curls, take out some of that crunch. This is really good because it's almost like a polish too, so it brings in a lot of shine, it keeps in a lot of moisture, and it helps to take apart those curls just to give it some more volume. When I take them apart, I just wrap them around and let them go, and voila. Just use it to shake out my roots a little bit to soften them up, and I am all set and we are all finished. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And next I will be sharing with you guys the rules to enter this wonderful giveaway. Alright you guys, like I did mention earlier, this is also going to be including a giveaway, and today one person will be winning this whole line that I used in the video. The rules are pretty simple. All you have to do is be subscribed down below and hit that link in my description box, and it will lead you right to where you can fill out the information to where we will send one winner some of these amazing moisturizing products that I love so much. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and fill that out. Don't forget to be subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one.